Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today, we're talking about crypto in 2025. Specifically, we're diving deep into how to invest $500 in crypto every single month in 2025. So, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, let's get right into it. First up, we've got Bitcoin. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bitcoin? Really? That's so 2017. Listen, I get it. Bitcoin's been around for a while and everyone talks about it. But there's a reason for that. It's the OG cryptocurrency, and it's still got a lot going for it. We're talking about allocating $250 or 50% of your monthly investment to Bitcoin. Think of Bitcoin as the foundation of your crypto portfolio. It's like the blue chip stock of the crypto world. It's more established, it's got a proven track record, and it's generally considered less volatile compared to some of the newer altcoins out there. Plus, institutional adoption of Bitcoin is on the rise. And here's a pro tip for you: automate your Bitcoin purchases. Platforms like Coinbase and Binance make it super easy to set up recurring buys. Every month, like clockwork, your $250 goes straight into Bitcoin. Next up, we've got Ethereum. And this is where things start to get really interesting. We're allocating $150 or 30% of your monthly investment to this bad boy. Now, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform. Think of it as the backbone of the decentralized internet. This is where all the cool stuff like DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts are built. DeFi is all about cutting out the middleman in traditional finance. Then there are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. And finally, we've got smart contracts, which are essentially self-executing contracts that live on the blockchain. And that brings me to my pro tip for Ethereum. Consider staking your ETH. It's a great way to put your assets to work and earn some extra crypto while you sleep. The recent upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 is a big deal. Alright, now it's time to spice things up with some altcoins. This is where you can potentially see some massive gains, but also where the risk level increases. We're allocating $75 or 15% of your monthly investment to this category. Now, when I say altcoins, I'm not talking about just any random coin you find on the internet. We're focusing on what I like to call blue chip altcoins. These are projects with strong fundamentals, real-world utility, and a growing community. Think of coins like Solana, Polygon, or Chainlink. But here's the thing with altcoins. You gotta do your research. Don't just blindly follow the hype. Look for projects with a clear use case, a strong team behind them, and a track record of development. My pro tip for altcoins: don't chase pumps. It's easy to get caught up in the hype when a coin is mooning, but always remember that what goes up can also come down. Instead, focus on finding projects with long-term potential and stick with them. Finally, we've got our secret sauce: stablecoins and passive income. This is all about putting your money to work for you and generating those sweet returns. We're allocating $25 or 5% of your monthly investment to this strategy. Now, stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of a stable asset, like the US dollar. The cool thing about stablecoins is that they allow you to stay invested in the crypto market without being exposed to the volatility of Bitcoin and other altcoins. But here's where it gets even better. You can actually earn passive income on your stablecoins. Platforms like Aave and Nexo allow you to lend out your stablecoins and earn interest rates that are way higher than anything you'd find at a traditional bank. Having some stablecoins in your portfolio also gives you dry powder to buy the dip. When the market takes a downturn, you can use your stablecoins to scoop up Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies at a discount. My pro tip for stablecoins and passive income: shop around for the best rates. And that's how you can invest $500 in crypto every month in 2025. Remember, consistency is key. By investing consistently over time, you can ride out the market volatility and come out ahead in the long run. What's your strategy? Are you going all in on Bitcoin, or do you prefer a more diversified approach? Drop a comment below and let me know. I love hearing from you guys. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, happy investing.